First, look at the biological, psychological, and sociological basis of behavior on the MCAT, Prep Guide, Medium. Starting a road to medical school is no easy task, and the Medical College Admission Test, MCAT, is a critical step in this process. Our thorough MCAT study prep guide, painstakingly prepared to demystify the difficult exam, demonstrates the passion and intellect required for this pursuit. Exploring the intricacies of human behavior, the biological, psychological, and sociological foundations of behavior are at the center of our guidance. This complicated subject, a cornerstone of the MCAT, is meticulously explored in our guide. We dissect the complexities of neurobiology, emphasizing the roles of neurons, the nervous system, and the interesting interplay between neurotransmitters and behavior. Genetics and behavior, a new convergence. The extensive exploration of genetics in behavior is a remarkable aspect of our handbook. We look at Mendelian genetics, the role of dominant and recessive alleles, and current interpretations of genetic expression. Our approach goes beyond the fundamentals, illuminating the delicate dance between genetics and behavioral phenomena through real-world case studies and research. The body-mind connection, physiological behavior. Students will find an in-depth examination of physiological behavior in our guide. We investigate the endocrine system's enormous influence on human behavior, the complexities of circadian cycles, and the molecular basis of psychological problems. This part not only sheds light on the relationship between the body and mind, but it also lays the groundwork for comprehending the biological basis of mental health. A look at psychological disorders. For prospective medical practitioners, understanding psychological problems is critical. Our guide provides a thorough overview, distinguishing between biological and biopsychosocial approaches. It dives into the classification, prevalence, and forms of psychological problems, providing a comprehensive picture of mental health, demographics, and social structures. Beyond individual behavior, the handbook covers social interactions, structures, and demography. We investigate social thinking, group dynamics, and the impact of prejudice and bias on human relationships. This section emphasizes the significance of comprehending societal frameworks and population dynamics. A logical approach to mathematics and science, a part dedicated to mathematical principles and techniques crucial in scientific analysis, is unique to our guide. We provide readers with the tools they need for quantitative thinking, from recognizing different graph types to calculating slopes and interpreting significant digits. Case studies, putting theory into practice. Case studies are an exclusive component of our book, pushing students to discover real-world examples that bring academic concepts to life. These case studies are critical in closing the gap between academic knowledge and practical implementation, using practical application to improve MCAT preparation. Our thorough MCAT study prep guide's emphasis on practical application is a critical component, ensuring that students not only learn but can also apply the content effectively. Each chapter concludes with an excerpt and practice question section. This useful tool allows students to assess their grasp of the chapter's content by answering targeted questions that mimic the style and complexity of the MCAT. These questions are carefully intended to reinforce learning, test understanding, and improve critical thinking abilities. We've included a large number of practice questions at the end of the guide, which are purposefully designed to cover a wide range of MCAT themes. This portion is a goldmine for students as it allows them to apply their knowledge from numerous courses and measure their exam readiness. Furthermore, our book includes specifically curated texts followed by a series of questions that correspond to the MCAT's critical analysis and reasoning skills part. This section is designed to resemble the actual MCAT, giving students a genuine experience with the examination's critical thinking and analyzing requirements. Students can improve their abilities to analyze complicated texts, comprehend nuanced arguments, and apply logical thinking with these tasks, which are critical for success on the MCAT and beyond. By incorporating these practical components, chapter-end questions, a comprehensive practice question section, and critical analysis exercises, Our guide serves as a comprehensive preparatory tool, providing MCAT aspirants with the confidence and competence to excel in one of the most difficult aspects of their medical education journey, a theories resource center. Finally, our resource area for psychology and sociology ideas is broad, pointing students to internet resources, books, academic journals, and more. This resource is essential for students looking to gain a better understanding of complicated theories. This sneak peek only scratches the surface of the abundance of information contained within our MCAT study prep guide. It has been methodically created to assist aspiring medical students on their journey by giving clarity, depth, and a wide understanding of the multidimensional MCAT examination.